Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you two ways how to quickly check your version history of a Google Docs document. Now, once you're inside the document, simply click File from the menu options and go down to where you have version history. If you hover over that, you have two options. You have the name current version and you also have see version history. So I'm going to go ahead and click on see version history. Now from here you can see that it shows different version of this document. Now if you look on the right hand side, you have the versions that you can easily go ahead and choose. So if I want to go back to, for example, a version from the 30th, which is yesterday, I can simply click on that document and I can view that version. Now if you want to use that version, you can easily go ahead and click restore this version and you'll have that version restored back to that original document. And that's all you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.